2018 and newer Chevy Traverse for wheel replacement. It is the same procedure for the Blazer, the Buick Enclave, and a few GMC Acadia, and a few other GM vehicles. So it was the tool that you need for the job. If you have this, you don't need that. If you have this, you wouldn't need that. Okay, you can substitute whatever you want. I mean, it doesn't really matter. They both do amazing job. You need a T30 for the water screw, a 21mm for the caliper bracket, a 17mm for the caliper, and a screwdriver. Alright, the other stuff is just to make your life easier. If you have those, great. If you don't, you can do the job with regular hand tools. Let's start by removing the brake returning screw. It is a T30. Yep, it's out. And I forgot to mention, you will need a bungee cord and a hammer. Alright, let's start by removing the 270mm that hold the caliper in place. Okay, bolt number 1, bolt number 2. There it is. Now let's remove the caliper. Keep in mind that sometimes when you buy new brakes, you won't get those anti-water clip here, anti-drag clip. That's what they call them. You won't get them. In my case, I already have them. Come with the case from GM. There are times they don't come with new ones, so make sure you save them just in case. All right. Now you have a caliper hanging with the bungee cord like this, right? So let's compress it while it's up using the tool. There it is, our caliper fully compressed. There it is. Take the clip off. Make sure you save them if you don't have new ones, or otherwise buy them. Sometimes you will have to buy them separate. Here is our brake pads. This is the back one. Yeah, some life left in them, but the vehicle 60,000 miles and the pulsating, so might as well replace them. Now let's take our caliper bracket off. It is a 21mm. I'll be using the air gun right now to take it off with the swivel and the 21mm. You do not need this to do this job. You can use regular hand tool. A half-inch ratchet can do the job perfectly fine. Alright, so let's take it off. There it is, bolt number 1, bolt number 2. Here is our bracket. Looks like the world have seen better days, so we're going to be cleaning our hub here. Alright, you can use a brush like this to clean the hub, but since I have the cookie wheel here, I'm going to be using it. Alright, it's not necessary to have this, but I'm gonna be using it anyway. This will do just as good of a job as have this. Alright, there it is, much better. Now we're going to be cleaning the caliper or the brake pads wide. We're gonna clean them up. Let's use this. I took the hardware off, so we're going to be cleaning down here. Alright, as you guys can see, it is all clean right now. We're going to be load the caliper slider pins, okay, to make sure they move freely. Now it's all greased, everything is moving freely. Parts, put our water in, take the hose protection off. Use our new water and all the hardware. Let's take this off here. Alright, let's clean our water with some brake cleaner. Take the wash protection off. Same thing on the other side. Now let's put our brake returning screw in. Good. It's time to put our hardware in. There it is. Same thing here. Perfect. Our caliper bracket is in. Now let's put the brake pad in. Everything is back in here, both bolts. Now I use our brake pad. I put a little bit of grease on the ears so they can move in freely. There it is. I like to put this brake, the pad that have this thing here, that's just for the square. When the brakes pad are wearing out, they make a noise. I like to usually put them in the back. Okay, There it is. Perfect. Now the pads are in. I'm about to put the entire drag clip in. So to do that, I put the lower part of the caliper in, and I'll need two hands to do this pretty much. You put them one at a time. I'll put this one in first, because when you put that one in, the brake have a tendency to go out. The pad have a tendency to just pop out. Okay, so you just put that one in and hold it in place and do the other side. There it is. I did the bottom part in first and do the top after. Okay, so we done here. Let's slide the thing over. Okay, we're about to put our boat in. There it is. Everything is in now. Let's type the bolts. Okay, same thing at the bottom. And that's it, guys. It's all done. And don't forget to pop your brake for a test drive. And that'll be it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. I'll put the link for the parts and tool use in the comment section below. Okay, thanks.